Here we are at the beginning of this Etsy automation journey. We want to build automations that actually do the heavy lifting for us. Before we dive in, there are two things we need. One, I'll walk you through now. That's AI. You're probably already using ChatGPT every day. It's brilliant, but let's be honest, all that copy and paste takes far too long. That's why we automate, so we can cut out the loops, save hours, and get back to the work that really matters, running the business. But before any of those flows can run, we need one thing first, an OpenAI account. That's what gives us the API key, and that key powers everything we're about to build. So let's get it sorted together. Head to openai.com. Then top right corner, click Login. Then choose API Platform. Because we're here to create an account, click Sign Up. You'll find it just below the email box. Once the page refreshes, you'll see the same options: email, Google, Microsoft, and Apple. We're going to use Continue with Google. Most of us already use Google anyway. Google Drive's handy for sharing digital products, and it links nicely with make.com. So keep it simple. Click Continue with Google. Select your Google account, then click on Continue. This will connect your Google account with OpenAI. So the next time you log in, all you need to do is log in with Google. Once you've done the steps on your screen, OpenAI will ask for a couple of details: your name and birthday. Pop those in and press Continue. Next, they'll want an organization name and a bit of experience info. You can put in your company name, your shop name, whatever suits you. Then press Create Organization. It'll ask about inviting a team. Just skip that for now. Select I'll invite my team later. Now it's time to create an API key. This is what lets our automations work. In the key name field, type something you'll recognize. Maybe your Etsy shop name. I usually put Make because I mainly use this key for make.com. In the project name field, I'd put Automations. Then click Generate API Key. Once you've got your key, copy it and keep it safe. Notes on Mac is fine. Or another example is Google Keep, which you can access from your Gmail. And remember, the API key needs to be kept private. Don't share it around. To actually use the key, you'll need credits. Click Continue. Here you can top up your account. Add whatever you like. I'll just add $5 for this demo. A pop-up will ask for your card details. Fill them in, save your payment method, and confirm. Once the payment's gone through, you've got full access to your OpenAI account. And that's it. You've now got your OpenAI account set up with an API key and credits ready to go. This step unlocks everything we'll be building next in make.com.